We ship about 1.5 million parts to the local aerospace businesses each year, and our needs for transportation and infrastructure have been increasing along with the rest of the aerospace communities.
It's essential that the infrastructure for our deliveries is able to support not only our trucks making deliveries to our customers, but the freight that's coming here to bring us the product we need to build them.
Orion Industries considers the Washington State Freight Plan to be a critical piece of infrastructure we need to continue our growth and to remain competitive in the aerospace industry. The Freight Plan is extremely important, and we all need to support it.